So this is a good sign. It's a bag. I got the ribbon. Okay, that should be the receipt. Wait, they said something about like stickers or something. Let's see. Like a packaging thingy. Eee! I got the cute little packaging, Isaiah. Please be cute. Oh wait, it has a little patchy thing, but I don't know what this is. Nothing?
Let me see for it. Oh,
there's a sticker. It's a baby envelope. And it's a blank card. I guess I could have had them write a note to myself. I should have did that.
Like, hi.
Like, I've seen some, like, influencer people, and they put, like, you are enough, you deserve, you know, whatever, nice things. That, look how cute. And the little baby box.
With the baby bag.
With the baby little, I don't know, this dust bag.
Ooh.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
You excited?
So excited.
And I read that one's from like the 2000s collection.
It's not too, this one just came out, but it's like what the 2000s kind of look like. Okay, I thought there would be like a plastic or something here, but there's not. I've seen, okay, do I think this would be nicer? The little baby. Like, this doesn't have any, like, plastic on it either. I feel like other influencer people, like, they had plastics on theirs. And there's some, like, is that a scratch? Okay, see, that part has a little plastic on it. The little LV right here.
Like the carabiner part? Or?
Yeah, like, you see it? I can. It looks like it does. Yeah, it does right there. Oh my gosh.
Your cup has a heart in it.
It does. Isn't it cute?
It is.
Okay, all done.